people thought saying a good one, or rather, some people thought saying a bad one. Now, this woman actually catch her pikin, they smoke.
Oui. First of all, the one where they make my brain confused. Now, say the woman will take come upon herself to tie the guy to the stick. Say, okay, oh, you no go feel run anywhere as your mama they beat you. And the worst part of it, they say the woman get belle. She don't even fear so that if he kick him and her belle go come out, she they hold another person pikin like government work. Say then they flog the pikin. For me, no matter what the pikin do, even though say the pikin thief, now at this present age and time, I don't say they're wrong to chastise any child when they do wrong, but this kind of punishment, they're too extreme. I just feel say we don't get to an age where we say if Pikin do something, before any beating or anything, you first need to sit the Pikin down, tell the Pikin why you want beat him or why you want punish him. Now that they beat this guy like this, if this guy gets immune to the beating anytime from now, because I won't believe any small thing so then they beat him. Now when he gets used to this beating, you know the beating will go change him again. Anything when you do, you go just believe say after all you go beat me and you go end for there. Now you don't know the reason why that thing when you do they wrong. Now, from what I hear, then say now because the boy they smoke. Now why she beat him? You go need to tell him why smoking they wrong before you begin to beat him like this. And then the parents too, check your environment. Who knows whether the papa they smoke, where you from see him? Because this one are like village settings. So they wonder where you go even see this, whether a cigar or anything where they smoke. The smoke takes smoke to learn that kind of bad habits because the Pikin still small.
What you not think about him? Let me just ask from Imem, what do you think about him?
Me, I believe in discipline, but I think that was a bit too much.
Right.
You understand? And it's a combination of both. You go call the Pikin tell and say, this thing where you do no good, and this not the reason why I no one make you they do this thing or make you no do this thing again. If you beat the Pikin, but not be the one where you go tie him to tree and start to dance round down.
Okay, you know what's happen. Maybe me I go contrary to waiting all of una talk. I'm betting at this point to not talk anything because when you they make your point and
nobody talk. Oh yeah,
I can tell you.
I'm not going to talk
For
anything.
me, God bless this woman because that beating will save this small boy from lung cancer, heart disease, asthma, and so many other things. Okay, maybe we tell ourselves the truth, Better now, you won't say when you did secondary school or when you did primary school, your teacher never ever tell you, say, old pole or may you old war, make him beat you from behind.
No.
Okay, if it never happened to you, it don't happen to me. Even if not be my teacher, I know how many times my mama for house. If he say lie down on top table, flog me. And that beating today, that beating of those days, you know, let me get low self-esteem today. I get my college degree and everything. And the most important thing I be say, I still like my mama up to date. Now, check this small boy, you they smoke cigar like big man. She get, but you they cry like small Pikin when they beat you. You they cry like girl. Another thing I be say, if you check the beating where she give the Pikin, you go look see as she take flog and she no flog am above here. She no hit am once on top the head or anywhere, not below the belt. Now she dey hit am. So for me, very good. Beat am well. So that next time when you see the cigar, you go pick ways. Simple.
So what do you think about beating? If you say beating are the best form of correction for Pikin?
If the Pikin need better beating, give am better beating. Yes, beat am well.
Okay.
What
What will be your definition of beat and well? Now, everyday beating, what's the dosage of beating that a child should...
Before you answer, make I tell you about the story we fit for you of the man who beat the Pikin because the Pikin take meat. He beat the Pikin so that the Pikin break leg and break hand. Is that your example of beat and well?
See waiting at the talk. Now this woman, make her look this thing for now.
Answer that one.
Now one answer so.
Okay.
This woman now, she know now make me talk say she no beat am above, now below the belt all through. Now on
All
her
right,
face she
keep it. I
tie
know
am.
you want to talk something, but we're going to need to buy small break. Now, when we come back, we're going to talk about this matter.
We need to talk.
Plenty of other things they come back. All right, welcome back. Now, we still talk about the video of the woman who tie her Pikin to tree and they start to beat the Pikin. Why? Because the Pikin, she catch and say in the smoke. And skin people, they tell us, say, they're very good to beat a Pikin well. Oh, yeah.
I remember saying at their stop, I say beat am well.
Well, yes.
Yes, make them beat am well, but by the way at the talk, I know me say break the Pikin leg or something. Beat am moderately to the offense where the Pikin commit. No be say beat am today, beat am tomorrow, beat am every day. Once you don't beat am at that particular time. No, wait.
That's
One small question. I like it very small. No. Small one. I beg.
Make she finish first.
No matter just
Make she finish first. Make she finish first.
You won't beat and well.
No, make she...
That beating and the thing where the boy do, you feel say they moderate. the beating where that woman
What
give
is
that
moderating
pikin now,
beating, sef?
and assistant asking people.
Wait na the beating whether they moderate to wetin the guy do. If the guy smoke from cigar enter another one tomorrow, the hair turn. You know how many beating dem go give am for road when e turn craze, man?
But you know
no,
wetin?
seriously,
No, but
but when I dey talk say beat am well, I no mean say beat am to the extent where people go come say, why you come overdo am like this? No. But one other thing we be talk about na the tying.
Yeah.
Say the woman tying, she fit tie and she fit get a reason, although I no too like that part.
Make it not
because
run comot now.
yes, if it be say she tie am so that he no go escape, whether she no wan suffer leg begin dey run, dey pursue and dey beat am. Because if him begin run, she dey pursue am, is either make motor go hit am along the way,
For that
or make she sef
motor no
fall,
go hit am, na village
or
dem
make
dey.
she sef fall. So,
Okay, but I want to ask everybody one question.
Okay.
How many of you smoke chalk when you did primary school?
No.
Chalk. I
No,
no smoke.
chalk.
No smoke chalk.
Because I know a lot of people when they did primary school, out of the juvenile delinquency of the child, now you they watch movie, you they see them, they smoke, you don't know what it be. Some children go pop powder inside paper just because say they want experience some. For me, at the end of the day, I go still blame this woman because I go ask, say that boy, where in get the availability of say in see waiting to smoke in the first place, even in that village setting.
But why you go
No,
blame
no,
her?
I go blame her. Oh,
Maybe they said that make you go fetch water for
And
river.
then you see person dey
you
do am.
exactly.
They want do am.
Even
the
I
problem is,
for me, oh, I just feel say whoever in see do am there around them.
But yeah, now why
Hey,
me?
might not even be in the household. If you be
I
saying
dey
na
talk
a
about
friend
the-
or
See, na this
someone
same reason
outside.
I make me talk say make them beat that boy because you don't know how long he take search for that thing before he come find am. So that beating go remind am next time say no find this thing. Even if you just dey on jeje the cigar waka come meet you, he go
wave
run.
and bye bye.
Okay, Skimpy, you like beats well, so please beat your pikin.
No
No,
problem.
no, no,
If my-
no, not well. She don't explain the word, please.
Not skimpy well.
She don't explain the word, but not beat am to the extent say they send am go
No,
hospital.
no,
beg,
no,
I
no,
beg.
definitely
Or beat
not.
am to the extent say he die.
Or you give
No,
am mark.
no.
Because that boy go get mark now.
Just beat am moderately.
I like when you talk say you beat am, you don't save am from lung cancer, you don't save am from asthma, you don't save am from a lot of things, but not overbeat am.
Thank you.
Now just the time now I get issues with.
You talk am well.
Yes. All right, make you just ask few questions. Now,
ma'am.
talking about brand, you know, person way they actually manage person brand. I want to talk about Olajumoke now. Yes, of course, yes, that's what you're calling. I'm not talking about Olajumoke. How you feel say Olajumoke fit manage a brand? Because now a lot of people actually get interest in this particular case. People, they fear for her.
I mean, first and foremost, me and Tiwa and some other people don't talk before. And you go need to get the right team where understand how to stretch brands, how to create brands, how to maintain the brand. So when you hear say, she don't become face of confectionery, place where then they bake bread and things like that, it then near waiting she sabi do. You know, and not to develop waiting she get for hand already, not to bless her 5 bread and 2 fishes and turn and feed the 5,000. You understand? So we they look at and say, okay, Olajumoke, she fit be model, see the way as she struts enter that picture. You get potential. So it's like the oil where we get, where you say, okay, we can get several derivatives from her. Waiting this one brand fit get. We they manage artists, we they manage actors, producers, directors. But if you look at it, you go see say, person get talent for another area. So may we discover them, structure them, nurture them, develop them. So that at the end of the day, you fit get, you know, revenue from different revenue streams. You need to protect your brand. You guys are personalities. You understand? What's Ubi known for? What's Bessiana known for? What's Skimpy known for? And then say, okay, fine. These are the target audience. These are the people that would gravitate towards their brands. And how do we service this audience or this market? So that you see Kim Kardashian, now from one thing, it don't turn to like 100 things now.
Very true.
You understand? You see Beyonce, now one thing, it don't turn to many things now. Then they call them mogul. You understand? Oprah, the same thing. After here, what next? So those are the things that we, for our company, they sit down, they look, say, okay, how we go fit make people leverage on the brand where they get and make sure you don't stain or taint your brand. Because the minute where your audience begins to see you in a different light,
You don't kill your brand.
that's
with
it.
that. Very
So
true.
that's what we do.
Okay. If I say me you come manage me now as presenter Skimpy, wetin you go look out for?
The exact same things where we don't talk now. Skimpy, okay, who be your target
Yeah.
audience? Is it 15 to 25? Is it 15 to 35? Things like that. Are you a mass market brand ambassador? or are you niche markets? So those are the kind of things we'll sit down and say, okay, what do you like to do? People don't know, say, Skimpy, she did talk. After that, what else? She did write book, she did read poem, she fit draw, she get shop. What should they do? You have to also position yourself as a brand. Make people sabi wetin you fit do aside the one thing you do. Olajumoke, person they joke say, he don't tell people say make them know they call him Onibredi. It's funny, but at the same time, after a while,
You change.
you become someone else, but still the same person. Kim Kardashian, we all know here how he become popular. But to others, we sabi am for the things where, they watch am for TV and things like that.
They don't remember that one.
Exactly.
Very true.
Okay, talking about branding inside Nigeria now, you get any challenges where you go say, okay, because say na Nigerian market we dey, it dey different from when you go obodo?
Absolutely. The Nigerian market, it is very unique. You no go fit find the situation where they Nigeria for another place. I no go fit carry my experiences from America or the UK, say, make I can't do them here. The Nigerian audience is different. The Nigerian market is very different. So the way you present a brand to them has to be tailored to their needs and their understanding.
Okay.
You understand? So we get our challenges. People don't understand, say, you can't just call Ubi and say, come and compare my show. Unless now your sister or now something where she won't do for free. It's a business.
Very
You understand? I can't say, Bettina, hey, hold this toothpick for me. We get big brand on top. Just they do like this, like you've just finished a meal. I can't do that. I won't do that with any of my clients. That's an endorsement. You understand? Or person say, wear this cloth to Skimpy, and you get one big sign for here with address and everything. I'm not going to do that kind of thing because it gets people where they follow them. And the minute they see and they wear a particular dress, they go think, say, for you to have endorsed this brand, it means it's a good brand. So you're also careful how you leverage on what other brands you attach to your brand. Who are you affiliated with? You understand? So
All right, I be there in the midst of public relations expert recently, and they talk say one of their major challenges now with the advent of social media, because now people don't they see the need not to involve a public relations expert or a brand person to come manage your brand when you can as well do it yourself. How you go take change people's perception about that?
to be honest, no be true. Social media also helps, but the truth is being able to manage the platforms. I go give you one gist where I get clients where person say something to them. At their phone, they tell them, no press, don't even say anything, chill, wait. Before I don't drop phone, you don't already respond, talk. So for the next couple of days, we had a huge PR nightmare on our hands that we had to manage. You understand? All these people where they see, even big stars, they manage it themselves, but they also have a team behind them so that you don't make certain mistakes.
So with the case of P-Square now, if you say they manage them well?
What part?
The splitting part.
This splitting
when they come
part,
outside,
now they are
talk,
back
say
together,
three
fine.
brothers, they want separate and all, where everybody they watch their
With the
destiny name for
Twitter
public
and
onto
everything.
how, this person they support that person and all. We know, just generally sum them up, no take any side.
I won't take any sides because, I mean, there are a lot of elements that were involved. There are emotions, there's business, there's the creative. So I can't say, to an extent, maybe it was managed not the right way. But at the same time, you can't stop people from bearing their minds.
Of course.
You understand? So we've seen what has come out of it, and we're very happy that things are back to the way they should be, and everyone's happy.
But still on the P-Square matter, you feel, as a brand expert, you feel say it go affect their music, their career now, after all we don't happen?
If you not affect their music, again, there are other elements behind it. So if those are taken care of, then it's fine. They're professionals. From the little that I know about them, they're professionals. So let's make music. It's what they love doing. It won't affect it.
Okay.
All right, now for you to get like a brand, because I need to manage my brand, excuse me. For you to actually
Give that moment in place, okay.
for you to actually get the services of a brand expert, how easy or how hard it be for Nigeria?
No, need the service. It's very easy. I think that if you know how to reach, a particular brand expert or creative talent manager, go online. That's why you have social media. Follow them online, see their work. When you see the fruits of their labor, like who their clients are, how well they are doing, what articles are they writing, who's reading, are they making sense, are they not making sense? This one going to chop my money. Are they saying before you talk to me, drop 2K, and this is the account number? Wait. Send messages. This is what I'm passionate about doing. Do you have any space on your roster for this kind of person? For me, it took a lot of interning. It took a lot of shadowing people that I really respect in the industry to get where I am. And I'm still learning. I'm still watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if they want to follow you or hook you up, how do they meet you?
On Twitter, I am at VZHUN, or you can follow the company, which is at ONE1 MGT.
Okay.
Same thing on Instagram. And then send an email to info@one-mgt.com.
info@one-mgt.com. Okay, if you need that servicing, make sure say you send a message on top email, go give her. Thank you so much for your entire our
Thank
studio.
you. I had a great time.
Don't forget, sing for us, Jare. And me, Uwi.
Oh, you go back me.
Even I go back you now.
Which song was?
Even though it's not that one you sing for Let's Live Together. Even though it's not your line.
Okay. You take the alt over.
Okay, yes,
Okay,
we'll take
we'll
that.
sing the chorus.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Let's live together.
Let us live as well.
Come on. Let's live together. You know they sing. Let's live together. Let's live together.
Thank you so much.
No, they say I should go now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This was
Plenty.
fun.
Had a great time.
Thank you.
for being here.
All right, they come back now. Make we one break.
If una know say una just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.